Sometimes it's yummy. Sometimes it's yummy.
You have to have it,
Come on.
baby. You have to have it. Come on. Come on.
A bit more. A bit
Come
more.
on. Come on.
Lucky you don't
Okay.
have teeth. Good boy. One more.
Wow, yum.
Last one. Ready? Last one. Oh, you don't like it.
Got it. I got it.
It's alright.
Done. All done, baby.
All done, baby.
Reward.
You did it.
Good
Throw
boy.
the lens cup now.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hey guys, we are gonna check Nitro's temperature kasi parang may fever siya or may sipon or something. So,
May sipon siya.
yeah, may sipon
First
siya.
time siyang
Tumutulo yung ilong niya. Diba, bebe? Mami Shanta, let's check baby Nitro's fever.
Nakita yan tayo.
Let's check his temperature. Come on, Nitro, come on. Let mommy put it in your ear. That's right.
Yes, meron 38.
What is it? 38.
But still green though.
It's
But
like
it's
light
38.
green though.
Yeah.
38.
38.
That's pretty high. Nitro's a fever. May trangkaso ka, baby. I'll have to take you to the doctor.
Parang
Hey.
nakakuha siya ng ng sipon dun sa party. Kasi may bata dun na may sipon, di ba?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna have to take you to the doctor, boy. Yes, because you have a fever. But you're being a good boy.
Yes,
Kahit
may sipon din
ka,
siya.
no? You're being a very good boy.
We're going to Ghana.
Yes. Sabi ng nanay ko na hindi pala kailangan pumunta sa doctor. First time ko kasi to na may fever si baby, di ko alam. Sabi niya, Nurofen lang, no?
Nag-take na ito nito.
Nurofen.
4.5 ml.
Yes, 4.5 mil. That's what Lola said. Hey, baby.
You can always give him not a cold bath, but a
Mom didn't brush her hair. She doesn't
to cool him down. But I think the Panadol will work. Maybe. Yes.
press it.
Yeah, I know. Baby control.
Okay, give it here. It's Shanta proof.
I can't do it. My
It's baby proof and it's Pabibe proof. Oh, diba? 4 mil? 4 mil.
4.5. Yes, it's either
It's
4.
huge. It's like the
No,
whole
it
thing.
says 4 to 5. Because he's 12 to
Alright.
6 months.
What are you doing?
I'll do it.
That's daddy proof.
Can I do
Already.
No, you don't do it. I'll do it.
What are you doing? Baby proof.
Pabibe proof. Baby. Hey, hello. What's grandma doing to your feet, huh? What's grandma doing to your feet? You doing it? What are you doing?
Why is it different from the other one?
Oh,
Doesn't fit the dog. It should fit. It does. Did it come out of that block?
Oh, it does fit. I just have to.
so it did fit. You told me I was doing it wrong.
No,
You were
It
doing
was
it.
wrong.
you have to do it so you can see it. It's different from that one.
Look at that fat belly. Look at that fat whole belly. Fat whole belly.
Go to daddy. 1, 2, 3, daddy.
Go on, baby. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Easy Pang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo and Pabibe! Hey! Hey, baby boy. Who's that? Is that you? Oh, ikaw yun, di ba? Yes, ikaw yun. Yes, baby. Okay, Dwantro Fam, sa vlog na to, pag-usapan po natin ang isang topic all about bebes. Yes, especially this bebe. Okay? So, the topic is mas mahirap magpalaki ng bata dito sa Australia. Ay, bebe. Yes, mas mahirap magpalaki ng bebe sa Australia. So, Dwantro Fam, ano ba talaga? Mahirap magpalaki ng bata sa Australia or mas mahirap sa Pilipinas? Napansin ko habang nag-stay kami dito, we've raised a baby in the Philippines, we've raised a baby in Australia. Which one is easier sa tingin mo?
Yung dito, kasi may schedule na siya, tapos mas malaki na siya.
Yes.
Pero, yung kagaya ng parting sinasabi mo sa akin, dahil ngayon yung stage na niya, malikot na siya, tapos hindi tayo makapag-edit, ganun.
Yeah.
So, mas madali pag sa Pilipinas kasi madaming tutulong sa'yo mag-alaga. Dito kasi, although nasa family kami ni Dwaine, may mga work kasi sila. So, hindi pwedeng bigay kaagad, di ba? Para tas malayo yung work, nagda-drive ng sobrang layo.
Yeah, so napansin ko mas mahirap pala dito magpalaki ng baby. It might be the same if you're in Manila, actually. If magpalaki ka ng baby sa Manila. And,
Kasi traffic, matagal sa
may
road.
sarili kang bahay, and all your neighbors may sariling bahay. Dito sa Australia kasi hindi namin kilala mga kapitbahay namin eh. Hindi nag-uusap. Minsan lang, as in never. Never sila nag-uusap. Si Papa, hindi niya kilala yung nakatira dyan, hindi nakilala niya yung nasa tawid niya sa harapan, pero
Hindi talaga sila nakikita-kita, di ba?
oh, ganun talaga dito sa Australia. Feeling ko mas close ang community sa province sa Pilipinas. They all know where everyone lives, ganun. So, dito kasi, kung mag-aalaga ka ng baby, walang tumutulog sa'yo. Ikaw lang ang mag-aalaga sa baby. So, lahat ng oras mo ay pupunta sa baby. Hindi mahirap mag-aalaga sa baby, mahirap lang
Gawin yung ibang bagay
Tama.
kaysa mag-alaga kay baby.
totoo. You can't get anything else done. Buong time mo is for the baby. So, that's why mas mahirap magpalaki ng bata dito sa Australia kaysa sa Pilipinas. Kasi doon, the community helps you out. If you want to go shopping somewhere, you can say to your kapitbahay, pagpantay lang muna yung baby ko, di ba? And then, may mga yaya sa Pilipinas, mura ang rate ng mga yaya sa Pilipinas, dito sa Australia.
Dahil mataas ang cost of living, mas mataas din yung babayad.
Yes, so sobrang mahal yung mga yaya dito. You need to pay them like a full-time wage. And kapag kumikita ka ng $1,000 per week, tapos yung yaya mo $600 per week, lugi ka, di ba? So, see, it's even mahirap to film a sit-down video with a bebe, di ba? Because you want to explore everything. Hey, bebe. Yes. Yeah, yun yung napansin namin. We thought maging mas madali.
You thought.
Akala ko, mas madali magpalaki ng baby. Pero hindi pala. Sa Pilipinas talaga. Sa province. Hindi sa Manila, sa province. Mas madaling magpalaki ng bata sa probinsya ng Pilipinas.
Pero alam mo yung sasabihin ng mga Dwantro Fam?
Ano yun?
Mas maganda dito sa Australia kasi yung Medicare, healthcare.
Yes, totoo. Sa may pros and cons naman, di ba?
Yeah, yung mga ganun. Pero yung ibig sabihin kasi ni Dwaine na pagpalaki na magbantay, katulong paggagawa ka ng pagkain, sino yung hahawak, while yung isa nag-film, yung ganun. Eh, hindi pwedeng nag-film kaming dalawa, tapos si Nitro maglalaro, kasi pag maglaro siya, lahat baka maipit yung kamay, tapos baka may kainin na hindi namin alam, sinusubo niya kasi lahat. Nasa school kasi yung mama ni Dwaine, so hindi, si Hallie din nasa school, tapos pumunta din siya sa part-time work niya, ganun. Tapos si dad din may work din siya, so hindi talaga yung pwedeng whole half day or whole day sila yung magbabantay while nag-film. Mga few hours pwedeng ganun, pero yung tutok na tutok, hindi pwedeng ganun. Kasi may mga trabaho.
The point is, in the Philippines, mas marami kang tulong sa Pilipinas when you're raising a baby in the province. Dito sa Australia, kundi lang tulong. Diba? So, sa mga Pilipino na nanonood sa video na to, if you live in a first world country like America, Australia, New Zealand, you've raised babies in the Philippines, in the province, you've raised babies in your country you're in, let us know sa comments kung mas madali ba talaga sa Pilipinas or hindi.
I think depende talaga sa situation ng family.
Yeah.
Kasi pwede din mas mahirap para sa kanila sa probinsya ang dalaga. Kesa nung pumunta na sila. Comment down below kung ano yung experience niya.
Alright guys, I'm gonna put this baby to sleep because he is very sleepy now, I think.
See, you're yawning.
May mga pros and cons naman sa living in Australia and living in the Philippines. Like dito sa Australia, maganda yung healthcare namin, libre ang healthcare. Kung wala kang trabaho, bibigyan ka ng sahod ng government, free money, di ba? Yun yung masarap dito. Pero ang mas okay sa Pilipinas, yung community. Lahat ng tao masaya dun. Dito, hindi masaya ang lahat ng tao. Mga mukhang Biyernes Santo dito. Pero sa Pilipinas, sa province, kahit mahirap ang buhay, masaya ang tao. So, it's a really good atmosphere to be in when you're in the Philippines. And I feel like mas okay lumaki si Nitro sa Pilipinas para he gets that, you know, Filipino warmth as part of his personality. That's what we want you to have, the Filipino warmth. Pero right now, hindi maganda ang baby sa Pilipinas dahil sa COVID. That's why we've come here muna. Yes. Okay.
Dito, nakakalabas kami ng walang mask, walang ganun. Kasi sa start pa lang, strict na kaagad sila. Close na kaagad yung border, di ba? Kaya, na-enjoy nila ngayon yung free sila sa labas.
Okay, baby. Alright, I'm gonna put you to bed, baby. Ayun, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. Pinatulog ko na si Nitro. You can hear him crying na. Actually, his bedtime was 2:30. We put him to sleep at 2:40. Pero hindi siya natutulog eh. No? Hindi siya natutulog. Kawawa si baby Nitro. It is now 3:38 ngayon. And yeah, he is not sleeping.
Hindi, kasi ganito, pag pinapatulog siya, umiyak muna siya ng konti, tapos matutulog na siya.
Yes.
Kaya lang ngayon, late na late siya ginagay sa bed.
Oh,
Kaya
man.
yun siya. Tingnan natin kung umiyak. Iyak, matutulog siya.
Kawawa si baby Nitro. Yeah, Nitro is still crying.
Isettle.
Yeah, what we do is we go in, we settle him, we pat him on the back, on the bum, we go shh, we put the dummy in his mouth,
We go out.
and then we go out. Alright guys, ngayon naman, i-shoutout po natin yung mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Alright, we have Shane Ransborg, Tradex General Trading LLC, Dags Lane and Salty,
Haley and Ashley sisters.
Marcel Ruiz Novki,
Regina Chelly's Art Shop.
Nitro Feld, Daremis, Kicksticks with Humanity,
Conchita Dokot.
Jolie Inocencio,
Missy Chell.
Pinay for Life,
The Scotty Fam in Bristol.
Ayaw, The Ramsey Family,
DXMT.
Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir,
Natty Von Kien.
Tosca Acorda,
Jocelyn Matilda.
Ayaw. Thank you so much guys for your support. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and we will see you soon in video number 2. Bye for now.